Hey guys, welcome back to Uwanimbie Home. If you're new, my name is Lillian. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a haul. I have a haul for you guys, thrift store, Homegoods, and maybe Target. So I have those hauls coming your way today. But before we get into the haul, if you've been looking for a channel that's going to ensure that your true self is being reflected in your decor and lifestyle, then girl, this is the channel for you. What are you waiting for, girl? Make sure you hit that make sure you hit that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and comment down below what you've been liking so far from the channel. And if you're new, comment down below what your name is and welcome to the channel. I want to kind of do like a disclaimer or something, because like I just really want you guys to know that when I do go out to shop, you guys, I'm decorating the house because it's really plain, and so I don't want you guys to feel pressure to just go and be buying things. That's not my goal here. My goal is to show you what I'm decorating with, and if you have something like that and you want to decorate and you feel like you have the money to do that, then go ahead and go shopping, or and get inspired. But I never want you to feel pressure that you need to like go and be shopping. And if you're my friend and you've been thinking that Lillian is just shopping because she doesn't have nothing to do with her money, no, boo-boo. No girl, no, I'm shopping because I'm decorating. And guess what? I don't even be blowing the money, girl. I don't know why I need to say this. I want to say this because I just don't want it to seem like I'm just going out there shopping, like I'm shopping with smartness. If you know me, the Igbo girl in me, you know that I'm shopping smart. You know what I mean? So just don't feel like pressured to go and be buying things that you don't need. And if you need it, girl, go get you. Do you decorate your house, do what you gotta do. And obviously, as you know, on this channel, I always give you guys cheaper ways to always decorate. And that's why even I myself, I'll be going to the thrift store. I'll be going to the Goodwill. No, it's not the Goodwill. My sister always tells me that it's Goodwill. I always say the Goodwill and then I correct myself. I always end up going to Goodwill and Salvation Army and other thrift stores in my local place. So just make sure that you're just okay. Let me stop talking. So I want to show you guys what I'm doing right now. I am decorating the guest room / my filming area. If you notice, I'm always filming in the entryway or the kitchen. So I just wanted to like designate one place for me for my filming and my filming equipment. Okay, and also this place is also going to be utilized for my guests when they come over. So I've been shopping for that as well. But I went to the thrift store and a few things I got from Homegoods. But we can start with the thrift store items. So you guys, I went ahead and I got books. Now you guys know I love to decorate. You probably don't know if you're new, but I like to decorate with books. I feel like those are very inexpensive way to decorate. Maybe on the coffee table, the console table, or even the nightstand. And I also want to get a bookshelf. I love decorating with bookshelves because if you know, I am that girl that I don't like too many things in the house. But since I don't like too many things scattered all over the house, I feel like I need to get a bookshelf. That way I can display all my goodies. So another way to like declutter the house, if you like decorating, just get a nice large bookshelf and put all those your little findings from the thrift stores and all the stores and put it there for people to see or for you to see. If you're like me, I like to feel good about me decorating, so I just put it out there. So I went ahead and I bought the books. So these books are honestly very inexpensive. So let me bring it out for me to show you guys. That was a lot. I'm so out of breath, you guys. That was a lot of pounds to be carrying. But when I do get my bookshelf, I plan on putting books on there as well as vessels and those little structures. So I got this book from the thrift store. It was like $2. And oh, it actually has a price here, $34.99, price higher in Canada. So this book is actually supposed to be $34.95. I got it for $2. at the thrift store. It says the new decorating book. It's actually a decorating book. How neat. But it doesn't even matter because I might change the color. I'm gonna paint the color to be either white or black. I'm not sure yet. I don't want to do anything to these books yet until I buy my coffee table, until I buy my bookshelf to really know what I want to do, like the colors and the, you know, if you watch my shameless plug, if you watch my how to decorate a bookshelf, you know what I'm talking about. You want to have your color palettes together first. So styling a bookshelf is basically know the color palette that you're going for. So for this living area, my colors are gray, black, and gold, and a little bit of white. So for the bookshelf, I'm thinking of going more of the blacks and a little bit of gold. Just choose whatever color that you're looking for. So I want to really make sure that I know what I'm doing before I color these books. But this one, it looks like I should just leave this one like this. This one is actually nice on this one. I just don't like that little red, but you know, it's not bad at all. Another one that I got, so some of these books I'm gonna be doing like maybe a restoration hardware. I'm gonna be doing like a restoration hardware inspired like bookshelves. So I definitely need books like this, like thicker books. I make sure to like find like thicker books like this. So I have a lot of them. I'm probably just going to show you guys later. Here is another one. This is like a book. It don't even matter what type of book it is, because at the end of the day, we're going to remove this ugly, we can go ahead and do that actually. We're going to remove this ugly cover. I have a chemistry book that I never read, but no, honestly got this from the thrift store. It was like $2 and one something. Actually, it was like $2 and buy one get one free, so not bad at all. Look at this. Ugh. And then I also got this one. See how heavy and thick these books are? That was exactly what I was going for. So I literally just went to the thrift store to get just books. Okay? And then I got this. Oh, child. These books are heavy. I got this. Do you see how big this book is? I got it for $5 and then it was buy one get one free. So I got this $5 and I got this one free. So I ended up spending $5 for 2 books. Can you see how big they are? And then let me tell you guys something. I like Homegoods and all, but I will never buy another book from Homegoods again unless I really need it and that book is like fire, which I don't think is going to be fire anytime soon. So the other book on my coffee table that I'm going to show you guys in a few, I got that book for like, is it $39.99, which is actually not that expensive compared to like how much it is supposed to be. But you know, I got this book for basically $2.50, $2.50, what am I saying? $2.50 each. And look at how big they are. They are like almost the same size. Actually, they are like, this one is the same size as the other one I got from Homegoods. Now let me show you the book cover. Let me tell you this is supposed, oh Lord. So obviously this color is not bad. It's actually really a nice, it's actually a really nice color, but obviously it's probably going to be black or white, to be honest with you. Like, let me not lie to y'all. It's definitely not going to be this color. The color is nice, but you know, by the time I get the bookshelves, it's probably going to be black or white, okay? I'm going to paint it. I'm just being real. Hi. Come say hi. Say hi. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
You doing okay? Okay, give me a second, okay? I'll be right back. I'll be right there, I mean. Okay, so this is the other one. Look at how gorgeous this looks. So since this one is already in black, I might just leave it like so and then paint this other side, or just leave it like this, honestly. Not doing too much. It's a baseball book. Not that I even care about baseball. Maybe for my son I care, but this is nice. I have no idea who these people are, but honestly, it's a lot of a book for me to decorate. And that was all the books, you guys. I know I just took honestly almost 5 minutes talking about books, but moving on to the vessels that I got from the thrift store. I'll be right back. So like I told you, your girl shops with intention. I do intentional shopping. Okay, I need to stop. So this vase, I got it for $1.99. How gorgeous is this stuff? I'm gonna paint it, of course, because you know, yeah, I would never be using this color, but it's a nice color though, but it's not me. I would definitely be painting this, you guessed it, black or white, or you know, like a nudish brown. Yeah, like a lighter taupe brown, ashy brown. Yeah, whatever. But yeah, this is a nice vase. I got it for $1.99, and this can honestly go on a bookshelf. I think I've even seen this one of these things at Restoration Hardware Catalog, you know. So this honestly would do a good statement. I gotta stop talking like an African auntie. This honestly would look really good on a bookshelf, okay? Another thing that I got was this really beautiful thing. I got it for $5.99. It was $6, a little pricey, but it's actually heavy, so I know it's good quality. You guys, I always say this, and you guys remember my last haul? Was it the haul or a video? I was telling you guys how to shop for pots, like cooking pots, and I was saying the heavier the better. And I've gone and said this again, it's really heavy, so it's expensive. I don't know how true this is. I just been making things up, and I honestly go buy it. But I'm thinking since it's heavy, that it's actually good quality. I don't know. But do you guys see the inside of this stuff? Like, I'm thinking I'm gonna leave that brown. It looks really earthy, and then I'm probably gonna paint this side white or this side black. What do you guys think? Tell me what I should do. Should I paint this side black and this one white, or should I just paint it the one color, like white or black? You know, just don't do too much. But I really think I'm gonna keep this part here. It's very nice. I like it. And it was $6. This will really also look good on the bookshelf, but in this case I'm gonna be using it for, what do you call it? I'm gonna be using it for the room that I'm decorating. I think I'm probably just gonna put it on the nightstand. Sometimes I'll be forgetting the names of things. Like, this is not normal. Ever since I gave birth, is this real? Because like, I honestly be forgetting the names of things. Like, ever since like I gave birth. That's not normal, right? But anyways, yeah, so I will definitely do that, and this will look really good. It will look good on anything, but I think it will look really good on a bookshelf just by itself like that. How gorgeous would this be? Okay, let me stop. Another vase, moving on to, so that was all that stuff that I just showed you were from the thrift store. And honestly, this thing, I didn't even spend more than $25. Can you imagine that? And then one book is like $20, $30 at Homegoods or Amazon, and they're not even as big as this one or thick as this one. Girl. Okay, so another thing that I got from the Goodwill, okay, it's called Goodwill. Why do I always put the D at everything? But anyways, another thing that I got from Goodwill is is this beautiful thing that this vase is so gorgeous. I just see myself putting this like nice greenery inside of it, or even by itself. I feel like it looks great. And this stuff was $16.99. It was $17. It was actually cute. I got two of this actually to use it by a nightstand or even a bookshelf. Can you know how, shameless plug again, I was telling you that like on my bookshelves, like I like two identical things to be, you know, kind of plain or being there, because it kind of gives it that cohesiveness, that togetherness. So I went ahead and I got two, because honestly I'm going to be using this for either one, a bookshelf or a nightstand, okay? And it's mostly gonna be on a bookshelf because it's so gorgeous. Like, oh, okay, let me come back to reality. Let me go grab the other stuff. Okay, so another thing that I got was curtains for the rooms I'm decorating. This I got for $20. It's not bad at all, right? It's very cute, very simple. Now, you know I'm a boring human being, so I'm not boring in Jesus' name. I'm not boring. I'm a very interesting human being that just likes to do things. That's the way to go. There's power in your tongue. I got to stop. But yeah, this is a really nice curtain that I'm gonna be using. It's very nice. I love it. So yeah. Another thing that I got was this beautiful pillow. Oh, how I love decorating with pillows. This was, how much was this? $24.99. It was $24, and I can make that little. I just killed the pillow. See, look at all these things are coming out. Do you guys see this? Let me just move this thing away. Let me show them. I gotta fix my dress. I gotta fix my dress. You guys, I'm a hot mess. Okay, let me make sure that I'm not showing you guys all my business. But look, do you see how beautifully this sits? And you make that, oh, look at that gorgeous. Hey, this is beautiful. Ah, oh well, my earrings just came off. Wow, Lillian, get it together. Let's get it together. This is gonna be all right. Okay, and I got two, of course. Obviously, this is not gonna go here. I'm just showing you guys. Hey, oh well, okay. I'm just showing. This is honestly supposed to be like one of those dresses that you wear with a tights, like you know those Okay, and then you make another dip. Oh, look at that, you guys! How gorgeous is this? Do you see that? The color is heavenly. The woven texture. Ah, let me show you a better look. Let me show you a closer look. Ah, do y'all see that? Do you guys see how gorgeous this is? This is definitely going to the bedroom, like I showed you. But it would honestly look good here too. But obviously it won't look here. Obviously I can't leave it here. So this is the part I think I'm going to take this. I'm going to clean a little dirt off of it. And then I'm going to put it outside and buy like a live plant. Because I'm about to start planting. I'm getting more interested in plants and all that stuff. Look at how gorgeous this looks. Okay, you guys, I think that was all. I'm actually just a hot mess. That was really all that I got. And I'm going to be, honestly, this weekend, I know I said that last time, but this weekend, for real, I'm going to be decorating that room, whether my baby meaning husband, likes it or not, because I'm waiting for him to put the stuff on the wall for me. He's just taking his precious time, you know. But you know, he's gonna do it this weekend by the grace of God. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.